of our pilot paper of September 2015. And question 3B had 2 parts. 3B had 2 parts. So the first one required a definition of the term performance management. Definition of performance management. Performance management. And this question had 2 marks. In defining the term performance management, different authors and authorities have defined performance management in various ways. And we could be able to provide here a definition that can be able to explain the term performance management as used in human resource management. And the definition would be performance management is a systematic process of developing organizations through people and teams. Through people and teams. So this is a sample definition that we can use for the term performance management as it is used in human resource management, where we are providing a definition that performance management is a systematic process of developing organizations through people and teams. And this is where individuals within an organization will be able to agree on certain targets. These targets will be able to be anchored in teams, which could be departments, which could be sections, which could be units. And once these have been agreed on, then when these are achieved, individuals are developed, organizations are developed, teams are developed, and this goes through a systematic process of the stages of fixing the targets, agreeing on how the targets will be met, performing the work and so on, providing support, reviewing and evaluating the performance, and that is a sample response that can be given for the definition of the term performance management. So that was the part 1 of question 3B.